welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there who identify as a mother. That was a bug in my face. At my daughter Dawn's, you must get tired of me saying that. It's like a broken record. I'm at my daughter Dawn's, but she is sweet enough to host for us. Because we don't have a real big family, so we kind of alternate between her and me. I do Christmas. So anyway, I'm at Dawn's today. It turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful day. It's just perfect, right, Dawn?
It sure
She's
is.
filming for me now. It's like a perfect day.
Beautiful out.
So we had a barbecue outside. She has a brand new patio. So we sat out there under the umbrella. The kids are playing baseball and cornhole. And Jake, Dawn, who won the cornhole? You or Jake?
Well, Jake was winning, and then I tied it up, but then he won in the end.
Oh, okay.
So I was just happy I kept up with him because he's very competitive.
Yes, he's competitive and he's a good athlete.
Yes, he is.
So anyway, not much happening today. You know, I am the baking diva, so I baked. And Dawn made a little ice cream cakes. I just thought I'd come on and to show you some little tidbits of my day because I'm a mother too. See you later. Toodles.
Bye.
It's Mother's Day 2025 and I'm at my daughter's house. I don't know if any of you that watch my channel remember, but her house used to be yellow. Nobody liked it, but that was the color it was when she bought it. And it's expensive to change. So it took them almost 10 years and they just finished having the house sided. It's actually a very kind of a dark colonial blue with the white trim. It's very, very nice. So we're celebrating there today. I'll take you around the back in a few minutes because they also had put in a brand new large patio that's all different shades of gray pavers. Their other patio was old too. So it looks like a new house. And I know they're very excited about it. Look at the pretty pink begonia. Dawn's father-in-law brought both Dawn and me one for Mother's Day. Isn't that pretty? We're having a nice casual Mother's Day today, and it turned out to be bright and sunny. Perfect day for a barbecue. And of course, our chef extraordinaire, Jason, does the cooking. So here's his hot dogs and cheeseburgers. And here's coleslaw that Jason's dad made. And oh, Jason knows I like red onions now, so he bought these especially for me. And here's some pasta salad, some pickles, and some grilled portobello mushrooms. And over there, Jason was grilling corn on the cob. And, well, we're going to see how it came out. Let me head on over there. He's doing the unveiling because he's never done corn on the cob. Oh, it looks good on the grill before.
It's got grill marks a little bit.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks actually very tasty.
Yeah,
Mexican style?
very good.
What's that?
Mexican style?
No, he didn't.
No, I didn't do the street corn. I was thinking about it, but I didn't.
Next time, the street corn's good.
I don't know how you would do that, though. Would you put the ingredients inside the foil? Or
I think so,
you
yeah.
just, you pour it over? It looks good, don't it?
Looks good.
It's in charge.
Looks good. Oh, I missed this before. Dawn was air frying some potatoes here. Curly Q potatoes. Here's a little peek of their new patio. It's been raining every day, so they haven't had a chance to put their mulch down yet or plant any of their flowers, but they'll get there. Here's a pretty hanging plant that I brought for Dawn because she is the hostess with the mostest, and she's a mother too. is Mommy Dawn and Jake playing cornhole. You gotta,
I knocked both of them.
you gotta watch out, Jake. She's pretty good when it comes to athletics.
No, he doesn't think so.
Well, he's good too, but you're pretty good. You always have been. Oh, where's Aaron? Aaron's down there. There's Aaron. Pebbles wants to play. Pebbles, you want to play cornhole? Come on, Dawny. It's Mother's Day. I have to root for you. Come on, Dawny. Woo! Come on, Jake. Oh, Jake got it right in. Ah! Oh my gosh.
It's on an angle. It's even facing every time we hit it, it turns.
There goes Dawn. Goes Jake. Oh my God. Dawn, he might be a little better than you.
Well, mine are going off the board.
Here they go again. They switch sides. Who's going next? Jake. Woo. Oh. Oh, Dawn, almost.
Doesn't count.
I know, but it almost went in.
Ground first.
I know. Oh, if it bounces on the ground first? Oh, it doesn't count? Okay. There goes Jake. Ah. Dawn. Ah. Ah. Oh. Oh, Jake got it in again.
I end up with no points every time.
Gee, the dog next door is cheering you on. Here's the two brothers playing cornhole, Aaron and Jake. Who's winning?
Me, 3-2.
Ooh. There goes Aaron. Here's Jake.
I go crazy.
Whoa. Ah. Oh, popped right out.
Oh! Okay, Severance. Take it. Plus 2 for you. 4-3.
Aren't they handsome? The two bros.
Plus 2. 5 for you. Yep. I really sold that in the first one. I know you sold the other one. These boards are bouncing apart. They're so...
Here's the two brothers. Aaron is in the black shirt, and he will be 19 on May 16th. And Jake, in the blue shirt, just turned 22 on St. Patrick's Day. You know, typical siblings, always fighting when they're young, but now only being 3 years apart and having so much in common, they're besties. Well, everybody has full tummies. We had a nice lunch, right?
Yep.
Nice, quiet Mother's Day lunch. Now everybody's just relaxing, but don't worry, because the baking diva brought some yummy desserts over. Well, there's always room for dessert. And look at this ice cream cake that Dawn made. It's the one you make out of the ice cream sandwiches, and she decorated it so pretty. And here is the little cheesecake pies. The video I just put up before this one shows you how to make them. It's the peanut butter and the lemon. And this, well, when you slice it, you put it in the microwave for a few seconds to warm it up. Squirt some of that whipped cream on it, and good. So pretty soon, everybody's coming in to have dessert. We're celebrating Aaron, who's going to be 19, and Dawn, well, a lady never tells, right, Dawn? All right, we're going to celebrate both their birthdays today. Dawn's is on May 4th, which passed, and Aaron's is on May 16th. All right, is everybody ready? Wow.
All four of us here.
All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dawn and Aaron. Happy birthday to you. Both of you make a wish.